Here is how to create a test quote with line items in Stripe, step by step. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Before opening any customer record, make sure test mode is turned on. This is the key detail for this workflow because the quote you create will be saved in your test environment rather than in live data. If test mode is not enabled, switch it on first and confirm that the dashboard is showing test data before you continue. Once test mode is active, go to Customers in the Stripe dashboard. From there, open the test customer you want to use for the quote. This should be an existing customer record in your test environment. Wait for the customer page to load fully so you can see the customer details and the actions available for that profile. On the customer page, look to the upper right corner for the More Actions button, shown as 3 dots. Click that menu to open the available options for this customer. In the drop-down menu, select Create Quote. This opens the quote setup screen tied to the customer you selected, so you can begin adding the items that will appear on the quote. In the Line Items section, click Add Line Item. At this point, you can either select an existing product from your Stripe catalog or create a custom line item if the product is not already listed. Choose the option that matches the quote you need to build. If you need more than one item, you will repeat this process after finishing the first one. After adding a line item, configure its details, enter the quantity and price, then apply any discounts, taxes, or other available options that belong on that item. Take a moment here to make sure each value matches what you want reflected in the quote. If the quote includes multiple products or services, add each one in turn and configure them one by one so the final totals are accurate. When all line items are in place, review the full quote before saving it. Check the customer details first to make sure the quote is attached to the correct test customer. Then review the line items, subtotal, taxes, discounts, and the total amount shown on the page. This is the stage where you confirm that the quote reflects the exact combination of items and pricing you intended to include. Once everything looks correct, click Create Quote. Stripe will save the quote in test mode attached to that customer and containing the line items you entered. If the page takes a moment to respond, wait for Stripe to finish processing and then confirm that the quote has been created in the test environment. Your test quote with line items is now created in Stripe and saved in test mode.